Hey guys, I just wanted to show you something real quick. It is the Enhanced Hairline Powder from BOLDIFY. So I recently got this because it was all over TikTok and my roots are coming in and I thought it would be a good time to try it. So this is the medium blonde and it comes in this cute little pouch with this cute little handle. The powder is on top and it has a mirror, but I haven't removed the film yet. And then on the bottom, it's the little puff. So what you do is take the puff and get the powder on, and then the idea is you just streak it on. I mean, yeah, it's working. Dang. So for someone that does a lot of Zooms for work, this is a godsend. I mean, it's seriously working. I was a little unsure about the color, but it seems to. I'm impressed. I played with it a little bit, but just to like see if the color would work. Let's go in the middle here. I mean, look. I mean, it's not all gonna turn blonde, right? Because like I have highlights, but it's pretty good. I'm digging it. So yeah, for anyone that has to do like online meetings or Zoom calls, I'm on them all the time. This is like a great way to retouch the roots or maybe fill in some gaps. Yeah, so it's Boldify Enhanced Hairline Powder, and I highly recommend it. And if you want to give it a shot, check the link out. I like it. Thank you. Have a good one.